Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 7.3 question number 7. Reduce the following fractions to simplest form. Right? That is question number A. We'll solve question number A. We'll solve question number A. Now question number A is reduce the following fractions to simplest form. The question is A 48 by 60. Right? We'll divide 48 by 2, that is 2 to the 4, 2 4 is 8, 2, 2 3 is 6, 0, 2 12 is 24, 2 15 is 30, right? And 3 3 4 is 12, 3 5 is 15, that is 4 by 5. This is equal to 4 by 5. This is the simplest form of A. Now question number B. Question B is 150 by 60. 60. 0 will cut, right? 3 2 is 6, 3 5 is 15, that is 5 by 2. 5 by 2. 5 by 2. Right? Now C 84 by 98. C is 84 by 98. 84 by 98. If we divide by 2, 2 4 is 8, 2 2 is 4, by 8 by 2, 2 4 is 8, 2 9 is 18, by 7, 7 6 is 42, and 7 7 is 49. Therefore, this is 6 by 7. 6 by 7. This is the lowest, simplest form. Now question number D is question number D. Question number D is 12 by 52. 12 by 52. 52. Divided by 12, 2, 2 6 is 12, 2 2 is 4, 12 2 6 is 12, and 2 3 is 6, 2 1 is 2, 2 3 is 6, that is 3 by 13. 3 by 13. Right? Now question number E is 7 by 8. Question number E is 7 by 28. By 28. 7 is 7 and 4 7 is 28. Right? That is equal to 1 by 4. This is the solution of question number 7 of exercise 7.3. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.